It is the 21st of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about Coinbase's boss backing the Clarity Bill in the United States. First, here are 3 other stories from today's front page, and you can read all of them on linguawire.com.
First, Brighton refuse une offre de 50 millions de livres de Liverpool.
Brighton rejects a $50 million offer from Liverpool. The verb refuse means to refuse, or in this transfer story, to reject. It is a handy everyday verb, and here it shows the club turning the offer down. Football clubs and huge sums always make the news sound a bit dramatic, even when the answer is simply no.
Next, l'avocat de Brian Hickerson parle après la mort de Hayden Panettiere.
Brian Hickerson's lawyer speaks after Hayden Panettiere's death. The word déclaration means statement. It is a useful news word when someone's side gives an official comment. News stories often use this kind of careful language when a case is still being looked into.
And TUI River Cruises fait face à de nouveaux signalements en Hongrie et sur le Danube.
TUI River Cruises faces new reports in Hungary and on the Danube. The phrase faire face à means to face or to deal with. It is useful in business news and often sounds more formal than simple. Avoir.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Le patron de Coinbase soutient la loi Clarity aux États-Unis. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Le patron de Coinbase
Coinbase's boss
soutient
backs
la loi Clarity
the Clarity Bill
aux États-Unis.
in the United States.
The headline uses a clear present tense for a current political position, even though the action was reported on Thursday.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Brian Armstrong a parlé jeudi aux États-Unis.
Brian Armstrong spoke in the United States on Thursday. This is the past form of parler, which means to speak. For sentence 1, the verb of the day is the one you hear here, a spoken action in the past.
Il a dit que la loi Clarity peut aider les clients.
He said that the Clarity Bill can help customers.
Le vote au Sénat est prévu en septembre.
The Senate vote is planned for September.
Le projet veut donner un cadre pour la crypto.
The bill wants to create a framework for crypto.
La Chambre a déjà voté le texte l'an dernier.
The House already voted on the text last year. Voté is the past participle of voter, meaning to vote after. French often uses this form to talk about a completed action.
Now for the verb of the day. Parler. In English, that means to speak. Here it is in the present tense. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je parle à ma mère. In English, I speak to my mother.
One last time at full speed. Le patron de Coinbase soutient la loi Clarity aux États-Unis. Now you Before you go, one question from today's story. Qu'est-ce que le projet veut donner pour la crypto?
That is, what does the bill want to create for crypto? Qu'est-ce que asks about a thing. It is the everyday spoken form. Here it is in everyday French. Qu'est-ce que tu fais samedi? What are you doing on Saturday?
Is it A, un cadre, un train, or C, un repas?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.